Alrighty guys, I got bad news for this Ram Hemi 6.4 liter owner. Alright, first of all, before I tell you the bad news, I want y'all to look at this. These are the tires. Well, we still have the rear on it. These are the tires that come off of it. Now, they I don't know how they exhibited some problems with the engine. Okay, now what do you do when you buy just about any car made today, today's standards? I don't care who the car maker is. They all having engine problems right now. Okay, so here's the deal. Some type of noise, all right, and overheating. Extended warranty company. Y'all know the drill. Tear it down. Okay, we got it tore down to the point of failure. The noise was on this side. So here's the deal. Get a load of this. All right, we submitted everything. And check this out. Here's what I mean by bad news. And here's why I always advocate, or here's why I always suggest you bite the bullet and don't do this certain thing. I know it's hard to not do to your own vehicle what you want to do. All right, you know how you own something you can do. I can do whatever the hell I want to do. To an extent, my friend, to an extent. If you got a service contract or extended warranty that exhibit or that that prohibit you from adding certain things to it, you might want to read that contract real good. Okay, yes, they sign up to protect you in the event you have a catastrophic failure. They sold you a warranty with stipulations. Y'all see where this is going? All right, man. The warranty with stipulation, fine print writing in your contract that specifically states, don't do this, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, or you can void your warranty. Well, now, I get both sides. Okay, so let me start with the extended warranty side. The bad news, they declined the repair because, here's this other tire. They declined the repair because these tires exceed by 5 millimeters of the factory tire that's supposed to be on this car. Did y'all hear what I said? They declined the repairs, the engine repairs, because the customer exceeded the factory tire size on what's supposed to be on it. In other words, these are not the tires that came with the car. Forget the tire. These not the size. That's not the size that the vehicle came with. Again, guys, I get it. You should be able to do with your own vehicle whatever the hell you want to do, but you got to bite the bullet. Wait till you either out of warranty or you just simply don't give a damn. Now, let's get on the customer side for a second. All right, I really didn't leave me much to work with, guys. We living in a world that's governed by laws, so to speak. Contracts, laws, everything written up. It has to be in writing. You have to sign it. They have all of that. So he don't really have much to work with. He's pissed off. Naturally, you're pissed. Get this. They got him to authorize turnaround time with the assumption of, yes, if it's covered, we're going to pay for it. So 6 hours, yeah, go ahead. 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Upwards of 12, between $1,200, $1,300 he had to approve by his extended warranty company for us to tear it down. We said okay. We felt the need to only tear this side down and find our problem. Okay, boom, we there. Adjuster, I don't know, I think they sent an adjuster out. And guys, those adjust, I just got through dealing with an adjuster. They got a straight edge now. They checking for flatness. They checking for warpness. They checking for everything. And this guy come out here with his little pictures. Chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken. And I saw him get a little excited. Now, they don't really work for the insurance company. All right? However, I don't know if it's in their best interest. I don't know what's their interest. They get paid independently. So they don't really have a dog in this fight on whether your vehicle get approved or not. They have a job to do, however. And that job is to get as much information off these vehicles as possible so the warranty company can make a decision. So do they work in favor of the warranty company? It's hard to say. I don't know. All right? Or do they work in favor of the customer? Because if they work in favor of the customer, he likely wouldn't have took pictures of this because he likely have seen company decline a repair for this reason. Now, look at it from this standpoint. Had he not taken pictures of it, he could have got in trouble. Why didn't you take pictures of the tires? You know we need a way out. That's one of the ways we get out. Well, other people repairs. If they tire size is not right, we getting out. Go back and give me a picture of the side tire size. What if you don't have a choice to do it right? Chicky. They go, yes, we got him now. They decline the repair and they fire Buddy for not doing his job right. So it's in their best interest to fully do their job, in other words. So, Mr. Customer, I don't know, man. Yeah, you went too far with this one. It's sad, guys. It's really sad. Because you know how much extra money extended warranty costs? I mean, they tag your car note already high. Your insurance already high. Now you got this added extended warranty that's turning out to be worthless. They declined the repair. She already came down and said, yeah, put it back together. Ain't no damn putting it back together. When you tear something down, ain't no putting back together. Even if the car came in running. So? It came in running. Just put my car back together and I'm coming to get it. Buddy, you ain't going to be able to drive away. It's tore down. It's not going back together. I guess, unless you got 6 more hours. But nothing's getting fixed. So, here's the option that the customer have. Either pay to get his truck fixed and deal with the insurance company from a legal standpoint, or that's the end of the road for this nice ass truck. Yeah. So here's the moral of the story. If you got an extended warranty company, read your contract. How's that? If it specifically states don't use oversized tires, please don't use oversized tires. How do oversized tires cause this? Extra strain on the engine. They can that will hold up in court, guys, believe it or not. Your Honor, we decline his repairs because due to the fact that he added oversized tires, that put more strain on the engine and caused the engine to fail. Your Honor, the judge gonna hit that table with his hammer. You know what? I ain't no mechanic, but you got a point. Let me see the contract. It specifically states right here, Your Honor, don't add this crap. And look, Your Honor, right down below, he signed it. Oh, no, buddy, you gone. You doomed at that point. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, my goodness. People, please, read your contract. Do the right thing. Oh, my goodness. Now, let's say if he say, I don't want the truck no more, chances of this truck being paid off is slim to none. So whoever take over going to have a note, a lien on it or something. Now, if it's paid off and he just say, I don't want it, I would say something like, bring me the title. I would deal with his head and deal with all these valve train failure and get this truck back running. But we can't do that from a legal standpoint of claiming that'll fix his car because we simply don't know. Mechanics take chances with their own cars all day long, guys. All right, I'm talking too much. Y'all remember my moral of the story, okay? I got to go, guys. I appreciate y'all freaking tuning in.